Hello everyone, back tuning into the 4th Easter 2018 update. So we're just a week away now from Easter Sunday. It's time to move into the semi-reliable time frame of the GFS model with this extended bank holiday weekend. We're going to look at Good Friday through to Easter Monday for your 4th Easter update. So we've got a broad pattern pretty much nailed down, but the actual detail on this is very complicated because it is an unusual sort of pattern with flabby areas of low pressure just milling around, no real jet stream to push anything through. So the overall pattern is quite unsettled, but working out where the more persistent areas of rain are likely to be, if there is any, and also working out what's going to happen with the temperatures, that is causing a few headaches. So I'll get on with that for you in a second. Just say that we started our competition and it's been a phenomenal response, absolutely blown away by the amount of people entering that we have for competition. It by far the most popular competition that we've done at GasWeatherViz in association with metcheck.co.uk weather instrumentation. We're not all that far away from the total number of entries that we had for last year's competition, and this competition is only a few hours old, so extraordinary response so far to the competition. And big thank you to everybody that's entered, and of course you've still got plenty of time to get your entries in, because we're not going to be closing this and revealing the winner until around this time next week. So plenty of time still to get your entries in, but a huge response so far. So I'll just show what we're giving away. This is the prize that we're going to be giving away. Somebody will win this 1 week today, around this time next week. It's the Climate Combined Weather Dial. So this is a thermometer, it's a barometer and a hydrometer, all in one very smart and compact unit. It's a wonderful prize, and it retails this unit. It retails at $39.95, so nearly £40 worth of equipment that you've got here. And it can be yours if you enter the prize draw. So you don't have to answer any questions or do anything difficult whatsoever. All you have to do is email your name and address to gasweatherviz@gmail.com, or fill out the feedback form here on the competitions page. Again, in the your message box, just add in your name and address, and that will go through to us. You'll be placed into the prize draw. You get an email back confirming that you are in the prize draw, and then well, somebody's definitely going to be winning this unit, this fantastic weather dial. Somebody will be winning that 1 week from today. All the runners up are going to get an exclusive discount code as well this time next week when I reveal the winner of the prize draw. I'll also give you your exclusive discount code, so that will give you 15% off any metcheck.co.uk weather instrumentation product for the 2 weeks starting from the 1st of April, Easter Sunday, and I suppose going through to the 15th of April. You have 2 weeks to use your exclusive discount code on any product. It doesn't necessarily have to be the weather dial. Any product that you might want to buy with MetCheck, your exclusive GasWeatherViz code will, product code will give you that 15% discount. So there's going to be only one winner for the prize draw, but everybody can be a winner this year with the 15% discount at metcheck.co.uk. Big thanks to MetCheck for supplying the prize and the discount for us, and well, get entering into the competition, because you've got to be in it to win it. Right, let's get on with the Easter update then. So we're starting on Good Friday today, less than a week away now, of course. So what we see for Good Friday is that the GFS is predicting low pressure to be very close to the country. The jet stream is well to our south, and it's rather slack. It's not pushing anything through. It's a weak jet stream that's not shifting anything on. So we just have this low pressure that's down here to the southwest on Good Friday, meandering around throughout the whole of the Easter period. By the look of it, we are trying to pull in some colder air from the east and the north, and how much cold air we manage to pull in is very uncertain, but I think northern parts of the country will have quite a coldish Easter. That's how the upper air temperatures are looking on Good Friday. So we've got -5 ice focus the far north Scotland. It's pretty cold up there. Otherwise, just sort of chilly air with this slack area of low pressure. Precipitation shows we've got showers, or if not longer spells of rain, particularly focusing on England and Wales through the course of Good Friday. It does look drier in the north, but remember these showers across Scotland could well be wintry. There's the temperatures for Good Friday. Overall, pretty chilly, really, ranging from around, say, 5 to 7 or 8 or 9 degrees. But we do get up to around 11 or 10 degrees across the far northwest of England, interestingly. So in the south it's quite chilly, and in the north it's quite chilly, but in between, actually, it's a little bit milder. That's how Easter Saturday is looking. Again, we've got these areas of low pressure going nowhere fast, just very slack gradients, no jet stream to push anything through, no real wind to push anything through either. So these slack areas of low pressure continue to sit close to the British Isles. Upper air temperatures show it's going colder across Scotland and northern England. Further south, the air is just rather cool and chilly. That's how the precipitation is looking for Easter Saturday. Some showers across central and northern Britain, more general showery bursts of rain down in the south. Some of those could be quite heavy, maybe even a little bit thundery. I haven't looked at the Cape and lifted, but it might be one of those scenarios where you might get thundery downpours being set off in the south. Further north, a lot of dry weather, but it's quite cold in the north. Temperatures across Scotland and northern England only at sort of 3, 4 or 5 degrees. Northern Ireland at 7 or 8 degrees. In the south, temperatures are around 9 to 12, so it is a little bit milder down across the south. That's how Easter Sunday is looking for tonight's 4th Easter update. So again, everything is looking very, very slack. The jet stream is well to our south. It's not pushing anything through. There's no real wind to speak of. We've just got really slack gradients. Actually, we are shifting more from low pressure towards a cold. And a cold means that you are neither under low pressure or high pressure. You get any weather really in a cold. But the one thing you will tend to get is very light winds, because there's nothing happening to produce wind. That's how the upper air temperatures are looking. So quite cold across central and northern parts of the country. Again, in the south it's less cold, but you'd hardly say it's particularly mild. We've got showery bursts of rain, especially focused on England and Wales. A lot of dry weather for Scotland and Northern Ireland. Maybe wintry showers across the northern parts of Scotland. And those are the temperatures. So it looks a pretty cold Easter Sunday, I have to say. Down in the south, on the south coast, we're at around 10 or 11 degrees, but really from Wales and Midlands northwards, we are struggling with the temperatures a lot, just 5, 6 or 7 degrees once again. Definite chill in the air to your Easter Sunday away from the south coast, if that comes off. And then finally, this is Easter Monday. So again, everything looks really slack. There's nothing happening to push anything through, so we've just got these very slack gradients across the country. And in this kind of weather pattern, it's actually very difficult to forecast, because it's much easier when you've got a strong flow and you've got a defined sort of pressure pattern. It's much easier to forecast. It means kind of slack situations where nothing much is being moved around. It is quite a complicated situation to forecast. So the devil will be in the detail, I think, for this Easter. Upper air temperatures for Easter Monday looking quite cold across central and northern parts of the country, and fairly cool further south. Notice though, much of central and southern and southeast Europe becoming really quite warm by Easter Monday. So if you want a bit of early summer warmth, then head off on a plane somewhere like Italy or Greece, and I think you're going to do okay. There'll be some pretty warm temperatures there. A lot of dry weather being predicted by this run of the GFS really over the Easter period. Not particularly wet, given we've got these areas of low pressure meandering around, and this is more or less going for a dry day across England and Wales on Easter Monday, although there is more rain across Scotland and Northern Ireland, or I should say there is more precipitation across Scotland and Northern Ireland. No doubt with cold upper air temperatures, quite a bit of that would be wintry, especially over high ground. There your Easter Monday temperatures finally, so it's another pretty chilly day, again down on the south coast for around 10, 11 degrees there, but really from Wales and the Midlands, the temperatures northwards, the temperatures are struggling at just 5, 6 or 7 degrees across much of central and northern Britain as well. So if this comes off, I mean, we've had worse Easters because it's not going for anything overly wet. It's just rather quiet, showery bursts of rain, really. Finding out where those showery bursts of rain are going to be will be very difficult. Cold enough for wintry weather in the north, definitely, and probably some unseasonal night frost, and just generally quite a coldish, chilly, and pretty uninspiring, I suppose, Easter weekend is the forecast for tonight's 4th Easter update. We shall do the 5th Easter update on Tuesday, so come back for that then with the final update on Thursday. But that's all for now, and thanks for watching.